Hi everybody, it's Ashley here of Stacks and the City, and I want to say hello. I'm so glad y'all are here. I'm so glad y'all are listening, and I'm so glad that y'all are watching. You guys are truly outstanding and amazing. And I'm so grateful. Oh, nothing but good vibes, and I'm just really happy. Anyway, of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe, you guys. Subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know what you all are doing to get this money right in 2019. What are action steps that you take to get this money right, y'all? Okay. We're talking about credit cards, y'all. Oh my goodness. So today I'm going to be going through exactly how to get a credit card, how to approach it. You're ready to get one. You know, you're convinced, yeah, let's do it. And you just don't know where to start. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to give you guys some tips on what to do if you're just getting started with building your credit. And yeah, let's just jump on in. Y'all, first, do not be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. As long as you have the information, you're good. Don't fear. If you do all your research right and you understand like nits and grits, the grits and gravy of the credit cards and all that fun stuff, then you have no reason to be scared. Just go for it, get the credit card. Second tip, understand why you want to get the credit card. Again, a credit card should be used to help build credit so that you're able to elevate your net worth. That's it. If you want to invest in yourself, you're using it to build good credit so that you can have the home, have the business, whatever it is in your life that you want to be able to make borrowing money accessible for you, easy for you, so that you can continue to grind in your purpose. That sounds a bit existential, but basically you just want to have the ability to borrow money so you can continue to invest in yourself, not spend on a lifestyle. Number 3. Y'all, if they're coming for you for credit card offers, sign up, don't answer it. You do it when you are ready. So for example, a lot of credit card companies will put people on mailing lists. I get them all the time for credit card offers. They used to call a lot for credit card offers. They don't do that so much anymore. Y'all, don't do it. You call when you're ready. When you're ready, you're going to tell them that I want the credit card. It's not the other way around. The power is always in your hands. You always have the power. Make sure you remember that, y'all. The power's in your hands. So make sure that when you're ready for the card, you give them the call, not the other way around. Another point is to definitely understand interest rates, y'all. Like I said, interest rate is the cost to borrow the money. 22% is generally about average when it comes to credit cards. So it's like a 22% interest rate, sometimes higher, sometimes lower. Y'all, it's that's why you should pay your balance in full, but definitely understand how much it will cost to borrow money. Definitely make sure that you know that. Pay your balance in full every month. That's my so big. Pay your balance in full on time. If you can't afford to pay a $500 credit card bill, then you don't have any business spending $500 on credit card bills. You don't have no business. Start with $20 a month. That's it. If you're first starting off, $20 a month, period. That's it. $20 a month, on time every month. Maybe it's one particular bill you have. Keep that in rotation. Maybe it's put your Ubers up there, or put like a bill, one bill that you have that you spend. Pay that in full every month like you would normally. Pay your balance in full. That will easily build your credit and make sure that the money is staying here and not going to them. And my last tip for you all would be to get a store credit card. If you're first starting out, is to get a store card. Don't get... I'm not a fan of the prepay credit card type things that you get from your bank. There aren't any perks. There's no point. I just don't like them. The secure credit card. I just don't like secure credit cards. That's my personal preference. I really do like though, store credit card moment, because you can get some benefits from signing up and percentages off, but don't get sucked into that. Don't get sucked into it. But the store credit card is very easy for college students to get, or people who don't have any credit, who have no credit history. Get the credit card, but buy an accessory every month, something really slight. So let's say that you have a credit card from Forever 21. I would go and just buy a necklace every month, or I would buy candy there every month, or a water. If they have water, I don't know if they have water bottles there, but one item that's like under $20, it's under $10. Pay it. And just so you don't forget, at the counter when you're there, tell them that you want to pay the credit card balance then and there. That way you're easily building credit. You're easily getting your item and you're not spending any money. You're not forgetting the balance. Easy. So swipe the card, have the cash, keep your day moving. That's it. Definitely get a store credit card when it comes to getting your money right, because you can be very strategic about it and it can work in your favor. So yeah, this is what I recommend. If you're out here trying to get established credit, get good credit, build your credit, do those things, and watch your credit score go through the roof, Anyway, y'all, it's Ashley, Sex and the City. I cannot wait to hear from y'all soon. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful. Please let me know. And let me know if there's anything else you guys want to hear. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. You guys are truly amazing, outstanding. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And I will catch y'all soon. Bye, y'all.